Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be another live trading session. When I say live, what I mean is that all the price action charts that you're going to see in this video, I am seeing those for the first time. So you're able to hear my thought process, the way I approach the trade in real time rather than in hindsight. So if you want to see more live trading sessions, please subscribe to this channel and let's get to it. So today is Tuesday, February 22nd. We just had a long weekend and we came in this morning with some negative news that Russia recognized the independence of the Ukrainian rebel regions and Putin ordered troops into this region. So the geopolitical uncertainty and fears are still in the air right now. As you can see, SPY is down 0.5%, Qs are down almost full percent, and selling off more sharply in the last 5 minutes. IWM is down 0.38%, the Dow is down 0.5%. So the sentiment is overall bearish. We're below all short-term moving averages, and overall it's hard to. And overall, it feels that it would be a hard day to go long today. On my watch list, I have the usual suspects: AMD, Coin, Facebook, Nvidia, Roblox, Tesla. I'm also watching DWAC. The only super strong stock on my watch list right now. Their Truth Social app went live on App Store on Sunday, I believe, and that's why they're up. Why I'm interested in this particular name is because judging by pre-market price action, as you can see here on the 15-minute chart, we pumped really strongly pre-market and then gave back most of the move. And I know from experience that this is the type of price action that gap and crap traders are looking at. They want to see a pump and weakness pre-market. So I will be watching DWAC for potential bear traps. I cannot trade this stock on the short side because I believe locates don't work on a simulator. And by the way, full disclosure, right now I'm trading on a simulator, and it looks that either my platform froze or I am having internet issues. Let me quickly check if I have internet. I do have internet. Here we go, it resumed. So it must be just the volatility right now that is driving issues. That's not really cool, but this is the first time I'm having such a big lag on Lightspeed, and I've been trading with them for over 6 months. Watching DWAC here. It's selling off out of the open. Here at 90, there might be a level that could be buyable. As you can see on the hourly chart, this is the most recent swing high, plus it's a round number. DWAC is approaching that level around 90. If it drops to 90, I'm willing to take a trade long on DWAC. In the meantime, Market is trying to push higher. MD, Coin, DWAC, Facebook pushing higher, Nvidia, Roblox, Roku was absolutely destroyed on earnings on Friday. A lot of volumes from, so I'm watching Roku today as well. Tesla. Here, the market is about to make daily lows. DWAC. The spread is really wide on DWAC considering the price. Also, it looks that sometimes it widens to like 40-50 cents, sometimes it narrows to like 20-30 cents. In the meantime, on the other screen, I'm seeing Nvidia approaching this breakout zone. I wouldn't want to buy a breakout on Nvidia considering how it's in a clear downtrend on the hourly, plus the market is selling off right now below yesterday's low. The tech is down as well, not making new daily lows yet. In the meantime, DWAC, here is the 90 level. Let's see if we can drop there. What position size would I want? I need to risk, I think, at least a couple of points on such a volatile stock. That would put me at a 5 share position. Okay, we broke 90 and we reclaimed to 90.50 really quickly. Let's see if it can drop to 90 again. Yes, and it broke below. I'm gonna put myself on a bid here, trying to catch a bounce at this level. My bid is at 89.32. I'm not gonna rush it because of the spread. I'm gonna let the price come to me if it can. If not, it's fine as well. I ended up at the very bottom of this week when I placed my bid. Given that it didn't bounce strongly enough, I want to put my bid lower at 88. Just seeing a lot of weakness on it. Just maybe it needs just one more flush. In the meantime, Nvidia about to break out. Can it break out? Or is it a bull trap? This could have been a nice little scalp. In the meantime, DWAC is actually pulling back up. I'm going to cancel my bid now. Coin could also be setting up for a breakout, which could turn into a false breakout. Video breaking out. The volatility on Roblox. Wow. Here's that breakout on coin. Let's see if there will be any volume behind it. Because if not, I think this could be a good short opportunity. This 1 minute candle is about to close in 20 seconds. Not seeing volume. What's the broad market doing? It's near the highs. It's pushing higher. I'm gonna try 5 shares on the offer here at $184.55. Got filled. I'm going to put in my stop right away, 186.55. Stop 186.55. Buy. In the meantime, Nasdaq does make new daily high. S&P tries as well. DWAC breaking view up right now to the upside. I guess this 90 area was a good buy. Maybe I should have been a little bit more aggressive with that. DWAC got declined, rejected. It view up and rolling over. The longs are probably gonna be panic selling right now. The shorts are probably going to be piling in, which could lead to a good bear trap. And I wouldn't mind being long on something, considering that I'm short on coin. Here we go, we're approaching 90 again. Limit. I'm gonna get in here on the bid. If it breaks 90, I might consider adding. I'm going to put in my hard stop loss here, really close to my stop loss. In the meantime, coin is going against me. DWAC is going in against me right now in the red. Not the best start of the trading day. Here DWAC is attempting to push higher. Nasdaq is almost flat, it just went green. Coin is still grinding higher against me. Here we go, DWAC. 90 on the offer, there's hidden sellers there probably. Let's see if we can take out 90. I think I should have talked a little louder. Sometimes I forget that I'm now recording for a YouTube channel, not just for myself. We got rejected at 90 on DWAC, unfortunately. Again, a lot of red on the tape. Let's see if it can be bought up. SPY and Nasdaq continue to push higher, which is surprising given the type of news and headlines we have today. Coin looks like it might roll over finally. DWAC, on the other hand, still in this limbo. If I'm adding, I'll have to move my stop to make it smaller, and there would be higher chance that I would get shaken out even if this is a winning trade. So I think I'm not going to add, it's too risky. Coin still holding up, making a potential bull flag. Coin is something that I would consider adding to, because my stop is really comfortable on this one. And here finally it went in the green. So I mean, there is no setup to just short here. I don't see a setup, to be honest. Considering that it's time for the market potentially to pull back, maybe. Some longs would probably be buying here on the breakout retest. So I'm expecting the price to push a little bit higher probably before it sells off. So ideally I would be adding here, but that would mean that I'm averaging into a loser. And that's not a good practice. Again, I'm choosing not to add on this one. DWAC still consolidating below 90. And it's about to take me out, I guess. Watching DWAC. Got taken off, lost $10.15 on this one. Still in coin though. I guess sometimes it doesn't make sense to go against the herd. Sometimes it makes sense to go with the flow. Yes, this is an ideal setup for gap and crab, and it it didn't work for me in the past, so I often actually go against the gap and crab traders. Recently, the strategy has not been so hot as last year. In the meantime, S&P went green, Nasdaq went green, so and on volume as well. Just check out the volume. So I guess the fears about Russia-Ukraine are cancelled. In the meantime, DWAC of course took me out. Now it's going to reverse probably. Coin pushing higher. Not having a good day again. This is the third in a row. If this will be a losing trade, that means I've had 3 losing trades in a row, and I am on a simulator um, which is doubly as bad as when you're trading real money. As any trader who's traded for any meaningful amount of time will tell you that trading on a simulator is significantly easier. But I'm still glad that I'm trading on a simulator right now because I'm not losing real money, and the markets are changing, and strategies and setups that worked for me last year are not working as consistently right now. And yes, now DWAC is pushing higher after taking me out and probably a lot more traders like me. We were very strong out of the open. I did not expect that. I guess sometimes I just gotta lose my expectations and just trade the price action. Just saw Upstart breakout on another screen of mine and taking it for a scalp long. Just 5 shares. If there is follow through, I'm planning to add another 5. Just watching the 134 level if we'll break it again. Now the market is pulling back. Feels like this upstart trade was really impulsive. I'm gonna close it and flip short because I know that if I entered impulsively, there's probably some other traders who've done the same. And here you go. On that original scalp, I lost $4.08. So let's see if I can scalp this short trade. Got caught in a bull trade myself, but seeing the pullback in the market, decided to flip the trade. Now I'm short 10 shares on Upstart. Really chaotic day for me. I'm all over the place. Today I'm not going to trade anymore. Today I'm feeling that I'm a little bit on tilt. And it's better to recognize it and to quit until tomorrow, gather my thoughts, my nerves, go through the data again, reevaluate, and so on. So in the meantime, Upstart is selling off. I'm gonna put some bids in on Upstart. Yep, like this. Got filled on 3 shares right now. In the meantime, coin testing view up again. Don't want to overstay my welcome in coin, really. Let's see if the bull road market will continue pulling back. Gotta execute it on another 3 shares on Upstart, have another bid for 4 shares here at VWAP at $138.55. You see, sometimes you as a trader, might need to be able to quickly react and flip, you know. You were short, you need to admit that you're wrong instead of holding the loser and be able to sometimes even flip, because just think about it. If you got caught in a trap, there are probably other traders that have done the same. Meaning that they also got trapped, and you need to be among the first to recognize it. And don't hold your losers, please. Got executed on Upstart, and just like this, like in one trade, I managed to turn this trade around on Upstart, up from down $4 something to now up $17.34, just on this bull trap, and entering earning early and being willing to flip. Coin also actually managed to work out nicely. Already locked in $9 profit. Have 3 shares short remaining. Just want to see how low it can go. I'm gonna put another bid here at above whole number 182.03, and the remaining 2 I'll get out in one bid if it flushes below 182. I like trading around whole numbers. I think it makes sense because a lot of traders are watching those levels. They're psychological also, especially like whole hundreds or thousands. In the meantime, DWAC, I was right to look for a long at this area, but wasn't right about the time and the position size. But again, look what the market did, and I'm seeing it again and again. By the way, looks like I got executed in 182. But going back to DWAC, look, I entered long here, ended up being wrong. I'm sure there are a bunch of traders like me who've done the same. What the market does, market goes against the losers just enough to take them out of their trades. You know, a lot of retail traders like me were selling here. So market makers or other market participants that are moving the price around, they bought from us, people who were selling, only to push the price higher. Now those market makers and institutions are selling to retail traders here, probably. So what I think I need to start recognizing and is that there are obvious entries and there are obvious places where those people put their stops. And I think that if you can, from a psychological point of view, recognize the collective behavior of traders and market makers, you can make money from it. If you know where bears and bulls enter their trades, where they put their stops, you can trade around those levels. A lot of traders look at supports, resistances, trend lines, but I don't see that many people discuss the liquidity levels where traders are putting their stops. So this is something interesting I've been thinking about, and leave a comment if you have an idea on this subject. Do you think that market makers manipulate prices on intraday level? Do you think stop hunting is a real thing, or is it a myth? So yeah, leave your comment in the below this video. I would really appreciate it. In the meantime, coin is breaking down. I'm gonna put my bid and I gotta execute it. Okay, so that will be it for me for today. Up $19 after four trades. Two losers, one $10.15 on DWAC, about $4 loser on Upstart, and two winners. Two winners managed to cover the two losers and then some. So this day didn't start well for me, but thanks to Upstart and being willing, this was impulsive trade, by the way. But on the positive side, I managed to recognize it and managed to flip. Maybe I should have flipped on DWAC around here as well. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this one, please like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.